Hello guys, this is Said and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical Apple. Today we learn about how to set up time machine backup with time capsule from scratch. I have time capsule with 500 GB hard drive and I'm going to set up for my time machine backup from zero. First of all we need to go menu, then utilities, and here airport utility. Open airport utility. You will see this type of window, and from the left side you can see airport time capsule in other Wi-Fi. If you not see, just click on Wi-Fi symbol on the menu bar, then airport time capsule. Select airport time capsule. It will be prepare and locate the nearby Wi-Fi devices, or if you want to set up your own Wi-Fi devices by using this airport time capsule, then you can set up. Here is it get by default network name, base station name, and password, verified password. If you want to use a separate Wi-Fi network of this time capsule, then you can set up a Wi-Fi name or wireless name. But keep in mind, your Cat6 or LAN cable will be inserted in backside of time capsule port. If you want to join another Wi-Fi networks, click on other options, create a new network, add an existing network, replace an existing device, restore previous setting. So we are going to add an existing network. These are networks near about this device. You can choose which network you want to extend. Select the network and enter the base station name, password for base station, not for your network. So after configuration of your app time capsule, you will see this type of window. Time capsule is ready, and you can now run the time machine backup and set up the target disk, which disk you want to use your time machine backup. In my scenario, I have 500 GB hard disk, and if you want to see the hard drive, you just need to go to other airport time capsule, select set up time capsule to see the hard disk, insert in the time capsule. Click on the time capsule icon, go to edit. Here is the base station time username password. Here is the Wi-Fi, and last one Wi-Fi we used to extend, and this was the hard disk you can use for time machine.